how to install and sign up to Temu. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to shop online in order to download it and sign up to it, what you're gonna do is first of all open Play Store, or if you are in an Apple device, go to App Store. After you do that, go to search and search for Temu. After that, you will see over here the option Temu, shop like a billionaire. Then tap on install. After you do that, wait for some time until the app is downloaded. Tap on open. Now you can accept all the cookies. Over here it will take you to Temu's homepage where it will ask you to allow permission, or you can simply don't allow it. Then Temu will ask you to sign up or log in. Now in order to do that, what you can do is over here you can see various options that says continue with Google, Facebook, email or phone number. You can sign up to Temu with anyone you feel more like it. After you do that, tap on any one of them. Now it will show you all your Gmail. Go to the account you want to sign up with. After that, you will successfully be signed up. Now you can shop freely from Temu. So this is how you can install and set up Temu on your device. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.